Here we have a 2014 Ford Edge SE all-wheel drive with 118,000 mile, one owner. Very nice Edge. It's got new tires, brand new rubber. It's got tow package on it. Vehicle runs great. It's got new oil change, Ford synthetic oil. Very pretty collar. Got the door code there. It's got power windows and locks. Tilt cruise. There's the miles. It's got satellite radio. It's got a good bit of room in the back. And this vehicle is only 10.9. All-wheel drive, 2014, one owner. And this vehicle can be seen at minersautosales.com or call us at 304-592-3349.